What's up, everybody? Do not mind the background. This is my sports room, and I started a YouTube channel not too long ago, so I'm going to be getting a professional setup eventually. But for now, I'm winging it off the iPhone, just being straight up honest with you. I grabbed a few box of Topps Chrome basketball on the way home tonight, and I just want to rip open a few packs, or boxes, I guess, to kind of show you what we find. As they say, out in the wild. This is the best thing they had at Walmart. I picked these up at Walmart for like $29 a box, I think. So let's get these puppies open. It says that you can find randomly inserted autographs. 4 cards per pack, 32 cards, 8 packs per box. Look for exclusive refractors and superfractors. So let's get it rolling. Give me a second. Like I said, I'm just being honest with you. I'm winging this, so before long, I'm gonna have a professional setup because that's the way I roll. But for right now, I ain't got everything set up. I just haven't had time. I'm a general contractor by trade, but I love the hobby. I love cards, and I do watch videos, so they're very picky about the way they lay their boxes and packs and stuff. So you're literally gonna watch me grow this channel from nothing to something. It's a fun hobby, you know, with your kids, by yourself, whatever, you know. Topps Chrome. Let's see if we can find an autograph. I love ripping packs, by the way. Let's get this moved over a little bit. The lighting isn't the greatest, but to start, you know, a couple base cards. LaMelo Ball. A little LaMelo for you. Dominique Wilkins, green refractor, it looks like. I don't think it's numbered. Paul Pierce, Kansas. I'm a Kansas guy, so nothing much there. Let's see what the next pack has here. Marcus Stewart, Franz Wagner, Jason Kidd, old school, my era. Put him back here. That looks like a refractor or a silver. Still learning the name of all the cards, but I'm pretty sure this is a silver or a chrome, whatever you want to call it. Sorry, chrome. I guess that's a chrome, being Topps Chrome. But man, why can't we find an auto or somebody good? This really isn't a good year for a rookie year, but you know, if you can get a autograph or a good numbered card. There's Tyrese Maxey. He's a good player. Nothing crazy. I'm going to have a really cool professional setup, and I'm going to make this really fun. But for now, let's get ghetto with it. There's a purple something, Elvin Hayes, nothing special. I seriously feel so ghetto right now the way I have this set up, but you're seeing it in real life time here. We're at 4 minutes already, so I'll try to speed up. There's Isaiah Collier, a rookie. He's good. Joel Embiid, another Kansas guy, so I like him. That's a good card. There's Davion Mitchell, green, whatever you call that. I still need to figure out all the names. You can waste a lot of money by buying packs, is one thing I've learned. So I try to buy cards versus buying packs, but it's fun to rip open packs, you know. It just is. Nobody great there. Latrell Sprewell, old school, green card. Allen Iverson, another good player, but not worth nothing. Jamal Murray. Cam Christie, rookie card, green. It's not bad. Nas Reed. It's a regular card. He's not a rookie that year, so. So basically, this is $100 right here. That's probably going to be worth nothing unless I get a good autograph. But like I said, it's just fun to rip. There's a Kyle Kuzma, Chrome, or whatever you want to call it. Devin Carter. I've gotten lucky and I've gotten a few good autos before. I hit a $500 auto out of a $50 Mega Bowman Blaster box of Jack Caglione. For you guys that know, I love Jack Caglione. Nobody special here. Nothing special. There's Bronny. It's a rookie card. Obviously not worth crap, but it is what it is. I'm gonna look back on this video someday and just laugh. Dwayne Wade. There's a cool blue card. Numbered card to 150. Jordan Poole. It's a decent card. Draymond Green. Still far from earning my $100 back. I highly doubt we will earn that back, but you know, like I said, you can throw away a lot of money, but there's just something fun about pulling a really good card, you know. Jaren Jackson. Leonard, purple. I watch a lot of videos before I go to bed. Jonathan Magbo. And I kind of learn a lot about it. Like I said, I'm still learning the types of cards, the names of cards and stuff, but I've learned a lot over this past year, and I got a gigantic selection, which you can kind of look around and see. I mean, this isn't the best visual, but there's a lot of cards in here. I mean, probably 500,000 cards. Nobody special. There's Sarr, Alexander Sarr rookie card. Hey, there's a cool LeBron. Some kind of, I don't know if that's a base card or not, to be honest with you. But I guarantee it's not worth nothing. Maybe like $3. So we probably got about maybe $10 in value here. Donovan Mitchell. These people really lied about an autograph. Find an autograph. Jared Vanderbilt green. I need to figure out the name of those. Nobody special. Find randomly inserted autographs. Probably every 100 boxes you buy, you might find an autograph of a crappy person. We might pull an autograph, but it's probably going to be a no-name person, to be honest. Tyler Herrero. That's a decent card, but it's not worth nothing. But still, it's a good card. There's a cool Stephen Curry card, purple. Sure, that's worth a couple bucks. I wish it was numbered, but it's not. Shaquille O'Neal. I'm literally on my knees right now, by the way. We're 8 minutes in. I'll speed this up and get this figured out. There's a regular Stephen Curry and a Kevin Durant chrome or silver, whatever one is called. Johnny Furphy, another Kansas guy right there. So I'll take those. I know people pile their stuff differently, but I like to get organized. I do card shows and sell cards every once in a while, and I have a major PC collection of people that I love. But another LaMelo Ball, nothing special. I don't know what this is. I'll have to look into this. Complete, or countdown complete. James Jacquez Jr. I don't know if that's worth the crap, but I highly doubt it. Vince Carter, he was amazing, but his cards are worth nothing. But people like him, so it shows. I like to separate cards. No autos. Franz Wagner, KJ Simpson rookie, another rookie, Anton Watson. I'm not sure what the big hits are in this top cone, to be honest. Like I said, there's no good rookies, so Anthony Hardaway, old school Shaq right there. Kind of cool looking, but once again, his rookie card's only worth like $30, which I got a couple of them in this box right here. So I am striking out big time. Nothing special. Anthony Edwards. There's a purple. Karis LeVert. Cam Whitmore. Nothing special at all there. I use Card Ladder, by the way, for all my pricing. If you're looking for a good app for card pricing, Card Ladder is by far the best. Jabari Walker, Antonio Reeves green, rookie card, nothing special. Rasheed Wallace, Dillingham, nothing special. So, literally made 10 bucks back on this. Wasted 90. Larry Bird. There's another cool looking one of these cards, whatever they are, these complete countdowns. I don't know if they're a case hit or not. I highly doubt it that I would get 2 of them out of 3 boxes, but this one, oh, they're both shiny. They kind of remind me of the, what are those called, the football cards, the Uptowns. It's kind of what they look like. These are wannabe Uptowns to me, they look like. Eric Gordon. Tyrese Halliburton, that's a cool card. That was terrible how he went down, by the way. It's not numbered, nothing special, but great player. Great person, too. That was very sad. Oklahoma City Thunder is only 2 hours away from here, so that's the biggest NBA team we got, so that's pretty cool for us. Anthony Davis sucks. He's not worth a crap. Anthony Simmons, some kind of card. I don't know what this is, but it ain't worth nothing, I guarantee it. Anthony Wiggins, another KU guy. I'm a big KU guy, by the way. If you look around, you would see KU stuff if I were to show you this room. But last pack, see if we can get an autograph. I highly doubt it. Lonnie Walker, Nick Smith Jr., whatever. Scoot Anderson, or Henderson. Dippers, not sure what that is, but got no autograph, struck out. Pretty much nothing, but this is my first video other than how to crack slabs, so I'll start making some. I'll get a professional setup, and Topps Chrome, $100 wasted. Unless these are worth something, I'll look them up when we're done, but I highly doubt it. I'm not a big fan of this year. Next year, Cooper Flag is going to be the chase, so keep your eye out for those. And Travis Hunter in football, obviously Cam Ward, but I think Travis Hunter is going to be the bigger one. And Jack Caglione right now in baseball is the big one, and Pete Crow Armstrong, but Jack Caglione by far in MLB is the biggest chase. So y'all have a good night. Chat with you later.